I am going to be creating a landing page using 3 different methods. One is to be using Canva. The second one is going to be utilizing Squarespace's website builder. And the third way is just to code it all by myself, because that's what I do. So welcome back to Art DHD. My name's Heather. What is a landing page? It's basically a web page. However, usually landing pages are used for a specific reason. So if you are promoting a new service, or if you are advertising a new product, or if you have like a membership thing that you want to promote. I am not going to be building a landing page for a real client. This is made up. And the landing page purpose is going to be for a made up event that is made up. Every page needs a purpose. Websites are not there so people can just gawk at them, okay? Websites are there to work. If your website's not working for you, then what is it even doing? What is the whole point? What are we even here for? Okay, are you ready? Go. Now, I'm gonna pretend I'm making this for a photographer. I've decided. I'm gonna go to Pexels. I'm gonna grab an image that would be a good, I'm making this up as I go. Oh, okay, I like this. All right, how about we do a photo meetup? This is gonna be our color palette. It's fun, it's cute, it's gonna be fine. The purpose of the video is to create the landing page, not to create a brand. So, all right, we're in Canva. We're gonna make a website. Now, I've literally never used Canva in their website builder, so this might take me a second. Since we're doing Canva, we have 10 minutes. What can I do in 10 minutes? Let's start. So we're not gonna pick a premium template, and like all of these are premium, so that's great. Let's do this. We are going to do photo meet up. Awesome photographer. Join us for a photo walk around London. Bring whatever gear you have and get ready to be inspired by other creatives, the city, and some awesome prizes! Exclamation point. Sign up. Let's change the color. What was our color palette? I forgot the exact color palette. We're gonna just use this orange background. How do I get out of here? We're gonna replace the image. How much time do we have? We have 7 minutes. Add section. So we've got basically the event information, and then obviously like our logo is going to be up here, and then a nav bar is going to be here, or just like a button for a drop down menu for the nav bar. Down here we will have, I'm just using this random template. We're not a teeth clinic. Let's delete all this. We're going to do some pink for our social icons to keep it brand palette pretty similar. A gray color for all of our text. Sign up for more photo walks. No, that's stupid. Join the photo newsletter. That's better. We're gonna center align this. This is gonna be up. We don't need this to be like an entire screen size, desktop screen size. We're just gonna have this information here underneath kind of the image so that people can kind of see that, and then they'll scroll. We'll do a button. That is giant. We're gonna have like a little button here for the sign up. Can we change the color of this? How much time do we have left? Oh my gosh, we have 2 minutes. Okay, can we change the color? I'm running out of time. Okay, it's just gonna have to remain as it is because we're running out of time. No, I don't like it. I want it to be on brand. Can we change the color of this? Yes, how come we can change the color of this, but not the, I don't understand. All right, sign up. We've used sign up for the other button. Newsletter, we'll just do that. We're gonna do an orange, and then we're gonna do a lighter orange. For more photo walk events. I don't like that, but it's gonna have to do because we're running out of time. And we don't need our name up here. We already know. We're just gonna have the address and then the copyright information. And I think we're about done. And then we're gonna have to move this down just a smidge so we can fit the nav bar and everything there. All right. How much time do we have? Oh yeah, we went over. Okay, stop. 10 minutes and 40 seconds. It's not terrible. Is it great? Am I proud of it? No. But you know what? 10 minutes. This is what we did in 10 minutes. Moving on. We're going to do 30 minutes. We're going to make a landing page in Squarespace. Let's do photo walk. Join photographers. Let me know you're coming with the form below. Someplace, London, UK. Okay. Contact. We don't need that. Nope. We're going to move this up. I forgot to set the timer. It's fine. I'll just sit here for like a minute or two. Okay. So let's edit the site style because this is not our color palette. F58661F FAC3B8. That is our color palette. Oh, I need to get out of the styles. Edit section. We are going to choose lightest. That's good. Okay. And then we're going to add a footer. We'll just pick this one. Oh, look how easy this is. We're going to add those there. No, we're not. That looks terrible. Awesome. Photographer. All right. Reserved. We do not need this to be so large. Why is this so large? We'll have this information. We'll just center everything. That looks terrible. That looks also terrible. What is wrong with this thing? Let's go on with this. We're going to change all this text though to, we don't want, can I please move this? Oh my God, excuse me. We're going to have this be like a dark gray. This button, we're going to switch the button to button text is going to say join with an exclamation mark. Okay. Photo walk location. And then we're going to actually, oops. Can all of this just do the same thing at the same time? I'm so irritated right now. All right. Photo walk, join photographers, blah, blah, blah. We're going to change. We're just going to leave this and pretend. I don't know why I downloaded an image for this. We're going to pretend that this is a picture of London's red double-decker bus. The editor is kind of freaking out right now. It will let me edit the footer, but not the page. Usually there's something that pops up here that says add section or add a block or something, and none of that is popping up right now. So we're going to exit, and then we're going to go back in. It's still not working. Oh my God. It'll pop up eventually, I'm sure. You know what? We're gonna right align that because it just looks weird. Excuse me, can I please edit this? I'm kind of hesitant to stop now because one, the timer is only at 8 minutes, but also I'm having a lot of issues getting this Squarespace editor to work. I would not want this to be this pink color. I had 30 minutes on the clock and I did this way faster. I had this done in like 5 minutes. So we're going to just stop the clock here. 8 minutes, 56 seconds. It's not like we're going to find this landing page on awards or anything. We've got the sign up for people to sign up. In real life, we would probably want their name and like maybe where they're coming from or whatever. Make sure our headings are good for SEO purposes. We're going to reset the timer because we're going to get ready to code the landing page. Let's just start the stopwatch. We're already at 6 seconds. We're wasting time. Okay. We've got photowalk.html started. Basically, I'm going to take most of the code that's in my my index.html. So my homepage, basically. Section, class, photo walk. And we're going to enter, and then we're going to div class, photo left. We're going to do H1 because this is the most important heading on this page. We're going to do awesome photographer London photo walk. And then we're going to do a paragraph, join a bunch of photographers, inspiration and learning. Let's walk around prizes. Sign up below. And we're going to do a break here. Sign up. We're going to do 2 breaks, 2 line breaks. And then we're going to do a button class, photo button, join, photo walk. That's going to be on the left. We're going to close out the div for photo left. And we're going to open up a new div for photo right. Photo right. we're gonna do an image source. I'm gonna add an actual image here. We're gonna close that out. So we've got our image source that's in my images folder. The right side of this photo walk section is going to be an image. And then the left side of this photo walk section is going to be our header and our heading and our paragraph and our button. Let's see what this looks like. We have no styling applied yet. Okay, our CSS is not here. In our styles.css, we're going to add a spot to target photo walk as the entire section. We're gonna target photo left and then photo right. So photo walk, we're going to do display flex, height 100 dBH, background white. Photo left, let's do photo left H1 font size. We'll do like a 2 rem. And then let's add photo left P font size 1 rem. Photo left in general. Oh, I forgot to do, this is just ADD, okay? This is how I have to do each section or I get confused. Align, I think I need to do align items. Center, justify, content, center. Let's see what that looks like now. Oh, okay. So everything is lost. We didn't style the image, that's why. Photo right. Height, we're gonna do 500 pixels. Weight, width, not weight. Auto, overflow, hidden. Let's see what it looks like. Awesome photographer, London photo walk. Okay, so we have a left side now and a right side. However, this image is ginormous. And also the image is not shrinking to fit the box. So we need to specify the container type, I believe. Container type is, no, that's not it. There is a thing here that I cannot figure out. We're gonna go to ChatGPT. Object fit, and we're gonna do contain. It's still not working, okay. Width, I think it's because we have width auto. We'll just do 100%. That's not working either. Width, we'll do 200 pixels. No, we'll do 500 pixels, I guess. So it'll be a square. Do we need to remove overflow? No. Oh, yes we do. We do need to, nope, we need to put that back. Photo left. Align. We need to unline items in the center. Justify content, center, align content, center. We need to do margin. And we want this all 1 rem all the way around so that it fits the margins top, left, right, bottom. So when we increase the margin to 3 rem, it's going to do 3 rem all the way around. We need to do a max width of like 600 pixels. There, everything is going to fit there in that space. That looks better. Look at that. We can basically fit the entire section in this. We just need this picture to fit into the box. Oh, I know why it's not doing this. Okay. So we have photo right. This is just the parent of the image itself. We have to actually stylize the image. So we have to do photo right, image, and then we do object fit, contain. You guys, I am so smart. Nope, that didn't work. Oh my God. Okay, overflow, hidden. Nope. Height, 100%. Width, 100%. Let's see what that looks like. Yay! Okay, yay. Okay, so we have the setup basically. We have the layout. Let's add some brand because this is very like simple, welcome to the World Wide Web style, okay? We want to style the button. We want to style the text. The text is just default text. We're gonna do color F5861F. Let's see what that looks like. Whee! Okay. And then for the paragraph, we're gonna do color, we're just gonna do a gray. The paragraph we don't want in any fancy light colors against a light background because we want it to be readable. So font size, let's increase this to 4 rem. We'll make it 100 more pixels than what it pixels right now. The button, 200 pixels. We'll do a border radius of 25 pixels. Let's see what that looks like. Always be checking. And let's make this our pink color. FAC3B8. We're going to change that. Actually, with the photo right image, let's do a border radius. No, we don't want to do that to the image. We want to do that to the block that it's in. Border radius 35 pixels. Let's see what that looks like. That didn't do anything. Do we do it to the image? Was I wrong? Nope, I was wrong both times. I don't know, I'll figure that out later. That's not pertinent right now. Okay, so we have the photo button, and then we'll do like a photo button hover. Background color, we'll do our orange. So when you hover over it, it turns orange. Okay, we changed the font family. We want to decrease the margin from between this paragraph and the heading because this is pretty large. Photo left H1, that's our heading 1. We want to do margin bottom, and let's do like -2 REM. See what that looks like. Nope, that's too much. Okay, how about negative like 0.5 REM? We don't want that. That's still too close. Okay, how about we just do 0? That's good. Let's go back to the page. My code was not working. I had to troubleshoot. It was a whole thing. I'm at 37 minutes still. So we're still golden. I did a couple things. Now we're kind of at this point and I'm running out of time. And also I'm getting irritable because I'm hungry. You know what? We're just going to keep this here. Is it the best thing in the world? No. We're at 44 minutes. Does it do the job? Sure. Image is fine. It's relevant to the event. This is the first image we've had that's actually relevant to the event, and it's actually in London, and I took it myself. It's mine. Enjoy. Background clean, minimal, not a ton of branding. We don't have any brand assets because we're not focusing on brand right now. We're focusing on the landing page. It gets straight to the point. It tells the person what the event is, where it is, and how to sign up, and it gives you the CTA to actually sign up. Now, beneath this, again, I would do the same thing. I would put like a newsletter to get email addresses, like an email sign up thing. I would probably put some information about myself as a photographer, like what to expect, like when you get there. Also, when you click on the join the photo walk, I mean, I could probably add like a little snippet of information about myself here. If I was really, really, really good at coding and development, I could probably do that in less time. I would probably have all that done by now, but I'm not. I still have to troubleshoot everything. I'm not a web developer extraordinaire, okay? I'm learning. As a brand designer, I'm learning web development. So this is what I could do. And yeah, I have more time. I could really like hunker down and do some more, but it's 46 minutes and I'm hungry and I need lunch. So I'm going to stop. This is what I did in 46 minutes with some troubleshooting because I messed up. The takeaway message from this, beyond watching me panic through creating a landing page, is the design is important. Okay, development is obviously important. Without any sort of development, we don't have a web page. It needs to be intriguing to the visitor, and it has to serve the intended purpose. Okay, we want people to sign up for this event that we made up. Well, then what? Okay, a good landing page does a little bit more. We got another CTA, call to action. If someone has never been to your website before, this landing page is the first impression that they're getting of your website. So we want to make sure that the layout is seamless, the UI is simple. We want to make sure the experience is pleasant, okay? It's nice, it's not clunky, it's not gross. You know, I don't want to vomit when I land on this page. Anyway, that was fun. I enjoyed myself. Making web pages is a hoot and a half. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.